So it's not about forcing that change.
Oh
It's
gosh,
about
no. Oh my gosh.
finding the agreement.
It is, yeah, and so I say this often that this is not an invention. This is not figuring out what I can say to get someone to agree. This is a process of excavation. Why do I believe at my core that this is the right change to make? And sometimes people are in the position of of having to steward a change that they didn't choose. This is also a key thing. It's just basically say, can you do the work to find for yourself a way to argue for this that you actually believe in? Because if you can't, no one's ever going to believe in a change more than the person talking about it. So if you can't really get behind it for reasons that you can articulate in a way that other people can understand, they can't possibly get to a point where they understand well enough to agree and eventually adopt the change.